Hi everyone, this is Pentracy.
I'm Blessing Banda 99.
Today we'll be opening the
Google Mini, which
Google
is going to be
Home
mine.
Mini. So
Gonna
this
be
is
like
actually
a
what the box looks like. So in front you will see the image itself. On this side you will see some of the apps that are compatible with this, such as the YouTube, the Spotify, the Netflix, and so on. On this side you will see some of the things you can do with it, such as asking questions since it is powered by Google Assistant. You can also set up calendar events and alarms, as well as use this as a speaker for bigger sound, because you can actually connect this with Bluetooth. On this side, there are some questions that you can ask, such as, tell me about my day, when do they close, or what are the weather like, and so on. So in order for you to open this, all you need to do is to click onto the box and you will see this. Actually, I already peel it off a little so that it will be easier for me to open it. So actually, you will see like a line under, and then here you'll just have to peel it off. Blessing Panda 99, do you want to open it?
Yes.
Okay, come
All
on.
by myself.
Come on, come on. So now, Blessing Panda will open this for us. Yay! So after that, there you go.
My Google Home Mini.
So let's show it to them. So guys, so inside the box you can actually have this and the
The charger that's really about long.
So you can see like a open and close button for mic and also the USB port. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. So once you plug it in on the power cord, this is what you will say.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Hey Google, what is my name? Oh, God. It'll be midnight before it's hooked up, little man.
There you go.
Chris's bedroom speaker is ready. Continue.
Beep, beep.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
What the?
Hey, Google.
Turn on the alarm.
Alright, when's the alarm?
Tomorrow at 5 o'clock.
Tomorrow at 5 a.m. Set.
Well done. Are
Hey,
you gonna be
Google.
awake?
Well, what's Grandpa holding?
My apologies, I don't understand.
Okay, Google. What day is it?
It is Tuesday, the 1st of October 2019.
Can you set an alarm for 5 minutes?
There, your alarm's set for 7:14 p.m.
Okay, Google. Can you set a calendar event?
I couldn't verify your voice, so I can't add anything to your calendar. You can either try again or verify your voice match settings in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google. Can you play an OPM?
To hear that on Google Play Music, you'll need to add it to your library or sign up for a subscription in the Play Music app. You can also change your default music provider in the Google Home app.
So there you go, guys. Once you set up your Google Mini, you'll be able to tell the command or ask the Google Mini to set your alarm, and you can ask questions and a lot more. So enjoy. Okay, Google.
Change the music to Bum Bum.
What? We'll see.
Could you? Hey Google, change the music to Dance Off.
Okay, here's the Spotify playlist called Dance Party.
Okay, Google.
Okay Google, turn it up to 100% volume.
Till next time, guys.